Hey guys and girls, welcome from exploreall.com. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to use the shape twins in Flash. So let us see. First of all, I'll go to file, I'll create a new file and I'll create a Flash file. Okay, this is my file and here it is my stage. You can see here white is it's my stage. I'll just turn it to black. Okay, and I'll also reduce my stage size. I'll reduce the height to 300 pixels. I hope it's fine. Let us move this a little bit. Okay, my stage is ready. So speaking about shape twins are the one which changes the shape. Actually, if you want a black box to turn into white box, or if you want your a rectangle box to turn into oval after a few seconds, you can just make that into shape twins. You might have seen Tom and Jerry, right? In that Tom and Jerry, that Tom will be changing different shapes. Like his nose will be very big. One time his mouth will be very big. That is what we call as distortion. So we can just do like that. We can change the shapes after a particular time by using this shape twins and all. As for example, I'm just taking a rectangle back over here. You can just see on here on the timeline you'll have many keyframes. These are called as frames. There will be many frames as you like. If I go on, it will be coming 620 like that. So first I'll in first frame what I'm going to do is in first frame I'm going to create an object. Suppose you take as rectangle. I'll create a rectangle object here, and at 20th frame I'm again going to create another object at 20th frame, and at 40th frame I'm going to also going to create another rectangle object here. Like that I'll create four different objects here. See how it changes its shape uh, as the time persists. Here if you want to change the frame rate, you can just go here and click 12.0 here. You can just click that. When you click that, your document properties will be hovering, and you can just change your document properties here. Let me make this background as blue. Okay, and now first I'm going to create a rectangle object. So I'll click rectangle R, and I'll make this shape as green and red. I'll just create a small rectangle here. Okay, next I'll just move to 20th frame as I told before, and I'll insert my keyframe. Insert keyframe over here, and you just press keyframe, and I'll select this one. I'll select this rectangle box, and I'll move this rectangle box over here, and I'll delete this, and I'll make an oval shape over here. So see, I'll draw an oval shape here. Perfect, right? And after that I'll go for 40th keyframe, and again I'll just insert keyframe here, and I will select this one. It's already selected, I hope. So once again I'll click V and shortcut key V, and I'll just move this oval to here, and now I will delete this, and again I will create another shape as a rectangle only, but with different proportions. I will just make it over here. Okay, okay, I can also change the shape if you want. I'll just change shape, just change to red, and this one to green. Okay, and yeah, right. And after that I'll go to once again go for my last keyframe, that is a 60th keyframe, and I'll just insert my keyframe over here, and I'll select that part, and I'll move here. I'll move to the last. Now I'm going to delete that, and again my first what I did rectangle, right? And I'm going to make that only finally. I'll just make another shape here, let it be this shape. And now totally how many objects we have created? We have created four objects. First is rectangle, second is oval, and third is this distorted rectangle shape, and sixth fourth is again once more a big oval shape. So I have created four shapes, and now you press just Control Enter. What happens? Let us see. After 20 seconds it's going to change like that. See, it is going to change the fourth. But what the thing is, here there is no perfect motion. So for that perfect motion, if you want the perfect motion, you just go here, and in between 1 and 20 you just go in the middle and click create shape tween. Okay, see, whenever you hover like this, it's going to change its shape, and finally it's going to be oval, right? And go here and again click shape tween, create a shape tween in between 20 and 40, and also between 40 and 60 you are again going to create a shape tween, create a shape tween. Fine, perfect. And now you click Control Enter and just see the beauty, how it is going to change the different colors or shapes, how it is going to be distorted. And just pressing Control Enter, see, perfect. With a perfect motion it's going to change its shape, rather than before, which in before you didn't get like this. So this is what the shape tween tells us. So you can just distort the shapes, or you can just create whatever shapes you want, and you can create a more shape tween. So this is about shape tween. I hope you understood, and stay connected with explorer.com. Take care, bye bye.